Yo. Your boy Benji, El Primo. We're about to do a little something in the back. Stay tuned. Yo, like that, bro.
Hey,
right?
Yee-hoo.
We're gonna do a little setup with some subs and some.
The lighting is bad.
We're gonna do a little setup with some subs and some door speakers and 2 amps. Let's go crazy. We're gonna go crazy.
Shit.
No. Stop.
Yeah, you need
Why
to
you
move,
always does this?
you need to move your car, bro.
For what?
Facts.
Yo, who remembers this car? Only the OGs remember this car. You hear it? From this to this. Yo, what's good, gang? It's your boy Smooth in the building, bro. It's still brick, bro. And we out here doing this just because, you know, I like him a little bit. So I'm out here, you know, we're gonna do a little.
The privileges.
Right. We're gonna do a little music install on the, yo, what do you call this? The I don't know. Ladybug? The ladybug?
The ladybug?
Nah, that's mad corny, bro.
Nah.
We got everything out here. Literally brand new. My boy don't play. My boy makes money. Everything. Amps, wires, zero gauge kit, everything.
Name it, we got it.
Nah, you got it.
We got it. I got
You
it.
got it. Yee-hoo! But right off the bat, we're just gonna start running this wire, the 0 gauge, all the way from the back to the front. I'll probably have Benji start putting the speakers into the bass box. He got some audio pipe, double stack. He got two of these, so. My boy got the AP audio pipe on deck, double stack. So he got the double magnet right here. It's gonna be a nice little setup on my boy's little Civic. You
already know what's going on, bro.
We gotta say
Double stack.
We gotta say for your boys out in the school.
The school, they know who they are.
Hey.
They know who they are. I'm gonna show up next week after vacation.
Boom, boom.
That's what's gonna happen, bro.
Boom, 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 boom.
You already know, bro.
Guys, so I'm in the car, obviously. I'm gonna start wiring up the amps. We already ran the 0 gauge wire all the way from the back to the front. Well, like halfway, just enough so we can get the wire over here, so we can start wiring up the amps. I'm gonna show you guys the plan. So this is the 0 gauge. This is the wire that comes all the way from the battery. We're gonna mount this here, and we're gonna come out, hit this amp, and then we're gonna come out and hit the other amp. Then we got this one, this distributor, however you say it, for the ground, and then we're gonna come out hit both amps. I don't know why we have lotion in the car. I wonder what Benji does in here. Get some lotion. Where is he? Yo, Benji, why you got lotion in your car for? Huh?
That was because
yeah, my ass. What you gotta say? What you gotta say about that?
before I go to school, I wanna be like, yo, my hands feel mad weird, and then I just go on my way to class.
Nah,
it's like good.
Before he goes to class, he just wants to.
What?
Yee-hoo! So I got Benji trying to open up this door panel because we're gonna change all his speakers to PRV speakers. Something like, you know, to a little upgrade. Let me show them a little before. So this is the old speaker that was the OG, the one that's been there since 1980. And we're gonna replace it and put a PRV.
From Brazil.
Ooh. So we're putting these back here, and then 2 more in the front. Diablo. So eventually, as you guys can see, we got the PRVs now on deck, looking clean as AF. You heard? Now I gotta put this annoying panel back, and then work on the front speakers.
Day 2.
Yo, what's good, gang? So it's a couple days after that last clip that you guys just saw. We actually finished up the music. Oh, we finished up, so I'm gonna show you guys everything. It's good, criminal.
It was good.
Smells good in there, bro. You got in there. Huh? Yeah. So we finished up everything. This shit is bumping. It's bumping.
You heard it from up there?
Yeah, I heard that shit. His doors got PRVs, the back got PRVs, and then for bass he got audio plate. You wanna pop the trunk?
Yeah.
Ooh, nice little setup.
I gotta go to the beginning. Alright, ready?
You gotta fix that little noise he got going on there.
Quiero agarrarte contrato, escritor, diseñador, modelo, arreglo y productor. Mi competencia se mudó para el Cristo Redentor.
What do you think of your music, bro? What do you think of your music, bro? Yo, wait, quick, little something real quick. So I thought he didn't use his remote starter. So there was a wire there that I just chopped up, and now his shit doesn't work no more. but I think I could fix it. It's just one wire.
It's still a work in progress. Like, we still got the sound, the noise, and shit.
Yeah, but that's no big deal. My boy's acting. He's acting. Tell him, yo, comment down below. Tell him to slam this car, bro. Slam it to the floor. Get ratchet. Get crazy. Yo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Your boy's on the road to 3K. We're almost there. We're like 250 or 240 subscribers away.
Let's make it happen, boys.
Yo, tell your people. Tell all your people from school. Yo, tell everybody. Tell your boy. Tell your mom. Tell your dad. Tell your sister. Tell your brother. Tell your aunt. Tell your uncle. Everybody subscribe to the channel, man. It's Bricky. Yo, me and Benji just picked up a part-time job. So, you working there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Yo, so hopefully, you know, we get more car parts, more content. It probably won't be as often because I'm going to be working 2 jobs now, but it is what it is. You know, we got to get this money up. That's all it's about, yeah. My boy Benji's finally a bass head. Ever since he's been wanting to. Hey, yeah, what the? He's wanted music since he was like 5 years old, right?
Yes. What these people? Don't put with that shit. I'm getting man. What the fuck?
Nigga, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
So what's up, bro?
Be ready. Vamos, me ayuda una cosa allá arriba.
Dile pasar a la cama.
This is gonna be the end of it, guys. My boy Benji's finally bumping the Civic, so it sounds good. We gotta do like a little music competition, me and him, me versus my G. Even though my G got a little bit more music, but it's not, my shit's not even that loud, to be honest. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a little different video. Even though you guys like to see the Infinity more, like literally my views be like, it's crazy. Like, it's like night and day when I put Infinity, or if I put a whole different video. It's crazy. You guys be lacking on your boy. It's the end of the video now, and if you guys are still here, shout out to y'all. Real quick before I end this video, the guy who did my headlights, if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, my bad, bro. Soran, he asked me to just briefly post a GoFundMe page for a friend of his who has stage 4 cancer. And if you guys know, cancer sucks. So if you guys had family who, you know, been through cancer, you know it's tough. So I'm gonna post a GoFundMe for his friend down in the description below. If you guys, you know, literally anything helps. So yeah, best of luck to them. Just, you know, literally anything helps. It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building. See you guys in the next one. Doses.